Isabel, Mika was online today. She looks gorgeous as usual. Is anyone want to learn like quick makeup tutorials? You can contact 1-800 Mika Do Nails. She would definitely gonna give us some cool tip and trick how to keep our face like nice and fresh, because we're such busy and take care of everybody beauties, right? And we didn't have time to take care of ours, so it's good to have some peers like, oh, okay, 5 minutes, like 5 minutes nail art, so you can do 5 minutes makeup. I don't know if you can do, I'm just guessing. Mika, can we do 5 minutes makeup or what? Be honest with us. What's my blossom gel? I'm gonna using a blossom gel. You can do any color. It's happened that I have this and I put matte and I'm planning doing a fusioning, but I'm changing my mind and doing a blossom gels. So, Nene, very possible. Mika, with me, 5 minutes probably I can draw maybe not even half of eyebrows. Okay. Hi, Live Us. Happy Saturday. Hey, love. Thanks so much for tuning in. Canadian dollar sucks so bad, unfortunately. Checking on our story time with our team, you can get some code discount there. Who is that? Hold on. Nail Bling Sandra. Okay, Capri, you think blossom gel it confused me and better pay attention. So, okay. Can you ladies help me and keep me on the loop? Oh, Vicky, okay. I'm so really lucky today and I love you all. I have Vicky in the house, Mika in the house, Dom, Surrender, and all of you. Live Ras, Fire, all of you. Cece, Mama Vic, if you're still here. And such a great. So are you drinking right now? Just be honest. Do not tell me that you are not. Are you drinking and what you drinking? I want to know because maybe one of this day I was asking to do a versions drink like yours inspired by you. So blossom gel, you're gonna apply one thin coat. So thicker you apply on the faster it's gonna spread. Let me see. All right, hold on. Where's my green? So I'm gonna do one of this first. Caprice, you need to do 2 colors, whatever colors you like. You don't have to do that 2 colors. I am doing it. You can absolutely do different way. And I'm not gonna mixing my brush, gonna damage my brush. I'm gonna use my crystal picker. And on the other end is dot tool. Using one of my twin tip brush. Wow. My twin tip brush on the other end. And hold on, sorry, both end. I'm using this first and I'm using the detail brush on just in a bit. So now you can draw the way the veins you like. I know you can see it. And pick it up wherever you like as you wish. And let it flow itself. I didn't cure my blossom gel at all. There's another way you can do it with the piece of plastics as well. I do it really thin. If you want to add some more things, you can. All right. Go in the other end. Need to pick more of the green. You can add it on. You can see how it spread it for you. That's it. That's all you need to do. Need more green here, you can add more green and let it spread. All right, so now let's cure. You see how easy it is? Capri, whose birthday is that? Happy birthday. I don't know whose birthday. I couldn't see the comments earlier, but let me see whose birthday is that. Kia. 62nd. Alright, happy birthday. Today's was my first Saturday out with my family in a long time. Oh my god, enjoy. Enjoy live Raz. Whose birthday? Oh my god, water way too much last night. Just being rain. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, who? Oh. How old is everyone? I feel like I'm young ones in the life. I'm 18, Amelia. Hola, Doche. Doche, I need cerveza for Saturday. Alright, so let's see whose birthday is that. I didn't... Who's that? Dom? Oh, happy birthday to baby Dom. Whose birthday, Dom, is your... Oh, your baby. Alright, so, since it's sticky like this, let me see if I can get this one on. It still have some tacky layer. I think I can get that on. Where's that one is? So, okay, so two different look. I mean, similar look for the marble nails, but one's using is like blossom gels and one using fusioning. You can add more as you wish. That is from a blossom gel. All right. So what should we do? This one, no crystals, 2 crystals, not 2 crystals. This is my first nails right there, and my second nails. Definitely you can add like yellow on this one as well. Should I do like, I really like that jar. My baby, this jars might matching good with flowers. I love this so much. Really cool for fall. There's a lot of videos I did. If you miss it, you can absolutely watching them again. Sorry, I'm just trying to find which one you want to see. I have all the plants and I don't know why I'm asking you, because I think I just really excited to have all of you. All right. I know Sharonda, this is really cool gel. Or gummy bear. What's your thing? Gummy bear or is little cute mixed charms flowers. Oh, those leaves is my fave too. Let me see. No gummy bear. You must start in the moods of a gummy bear. It's super cute. Okay, and see how many say, how many people would say no bear? Bear or no bear?